Hey cleaning family, it's Carolyn Arellano, your cleaning business mentor. And in this video, we are going to discuss registering your cleaning business. So please be sure to stick around for the entire video. I do want to start this video off by saying that sure, you could start a cleaning business on your own without registering with your state. However, I don't suggest you do that. Please reach out to a professional in the area that you're in to understand the consequences that you could face should you not register your business legally and continue on to do business like it's any other day. That's number one. And number two, now we're going to get into all the different reasons why I think that you should register your business aside from the legalities of the situation. Now, number one, registering your business with the state that you are in is going to convey professionalism to your potential cleaning clients. Most of my clients are high-end homes, luxury apartment buildings, or commercial accounts. I cannot tell you how many times I have openly been asked if we are registered and insured. Okay? Are you registered? Are you insured? Because if we weren't, the client was not going to let us in their home or let us in their commercial cleaning space. Being able to convey that professionalism is super important for your business. When you register your business, when you have that business insurance, when you are serious about the business that you are trying to build, your clientele is going to take you a lot more seriously. They are going to treat you with more respect, and they are going to understand that you are a legitimate business and that they are not just dealing with a cleaning lady off of Craigslist. And again, that's not to offend anybody on, my videos that maybe isn't a legitimate cleaning business. However, back to what I was saying was that you're going to convey professionalism and you will also have better opportunities to better clientele. Meaning, if you're not registered, you are more than likely not going to land a luxury apartment building, a commercial account, because commercial accounts always require, a copy of our business registration, a copy of our insurance paperwork. And if we don't have that, then we are not going to get the account. So being registered with your state, paying Uncle Sam those taxes is really going to benefit our business. Now, something else that I do want to mention, because I talked about it briefly, was, being insured. That also is a very big deal because you can be a registered business, able to work in the state or province that you are in, and you still don't carry that insurance. And, I don't ever want anybody to have a situation where they break something or ruin something and don't have the coverage to actually take care of that situation. So if you guys are interested in a free quote from Next Insurance, I'm going to link in the description of this video for you guys. Now, let's talk a little bit about business registration as a whole. I will tell you firsthand that I have registered a number of businesses online with the state of New Jersey, and it has literally taken me anywhere between 15 to 20 minutes tops. That's with, searching a name, registering with the state, and, downloading that paperwork onto my desktop. So I want to let you guys know that it is not a very long process. Now, I also understand that not everybody is technologically savvy, right? Not everybody can read English. Not everybody has access to a computer, and I understand that. If that happens to be you, then what you need to do is get in contact with a professional that can help you register your business. I am going to put a link in the description of this video for those of you that need help with registering your business in your state. Now, if you have access to a laptop, the internet, and you happen to have a bank card or a, business bank account, what have you, then you can most likely register your business online. And the reason why I say most likely is because I don't know that for a fact, right? I am not a professional accountant. I do not work in every state. So I don't want to say that you can do this online application everywhere, but I'm sure that in most states this is available. There have been a few states where I was trying to assist people with registering their business and you did have to go in person. Okay, but definitely check with your state. If you happen to live in the United States, or if you happen to live in Canada, or anywhere that you guys are watching from, because I do know that I have viewers in Brazil, I have viewers in Africa, I have viewers in India, and I want to make sure that this content can be somewhat applied to everyone. But no matter where you're at in the world, you can simply go into Google and search how to register a business in, and then wherever you're at, South Africa, New York, Canada, right? How to register a business legally in. All right. Now, the first couple of searches that you're going to find at the top, or the first couple of answers to that search, are going to be sponsored ads, right? So people paying for ads. You're going to see maybe LegalZoom up there. You're going to find another company, that'll register your business for you. But what you want to do is avoid those if we're talking about how to do this economically and save money, right? So avoid those types of businesses if you can. And scroll a little bit further down onto the page and find your state, province, or country's website. It's usually, like in America, we have like .gov, nj.gov, ny.gov, but definitely look for your state's website and do a little bit of a search on that website and type in register business, and some form of instructions should pop up. Now, if you don't want to read through all that, or if you're having a difficult time with finding that information, or maybe they don't have an online application that you can find, then go ahead and make a phone call. I would suggest maybe, doing that if you can't find that online application, just so that you can speak with somebody in your state, province, or country to understand the steps of how to register your business. Now, as I mentioned, I happen to have my business in New Jersey. I was able to register my business online and pay a fee. There is usually a fee involved with registering your business to the location that you are registering your business, right? So in New Jersey, it's $125 to register your business. It's called business formation paperwork, $125. I have seen in other states, it could be $200, it could be $500, it could be $750. So again, do your due diligence so that you are ready to make that payment for your business registration. Go through that process, get registered. You will more than likely, if you're in the US, have to register or get an EIN number, which is your tax identification number. But make sure that you register your business. Make sure you register for taxes properly. And again, always ask the advice of a professional that works in the area that you are in to make sure that you are taking all of the accurate steps. As I mentioned earlier, registering your business does have its perks. Hey, cleaning family, if you are in need of help with registering your cleaning business, please click the link in the description of this video and fill out our form. Now, also something that you want to keep in mind is that when you register your business, you will need to know what type of entity you are going to form. Is that going to be a sole proprietorship? Is that going to be an LLC? How are you going to register? What I would do is please do your due diligence and understand the different types of business formations and the different advantages that they provide. The more perks of registering your business legally is that you can apply for certain state loans. You can apply for loans from your bank. You can get business credit. You just have a lot more access to things that are going to help you grow your cleaning business. As I mentioned, a better clientele base, funding, credit. There's just so many different perks as to why you should register your cleaning business. And number one, like I had mentioned, is going to be legitimacy and professionalism. Ultimately, registering your business legally is going to have many, many, many benefits for you and your business. As I mentioned, you are going to be able to get in contact or reach a better, higher paying clientele base. You are going to have access to business credit, business funding, you name it. So if you guys are not registered, or if you guys are working under the table, really try to understand what the pros and the cons are of running a business, the illegitimate way. Sure, you're not paying taxes, but you're also probably not making the money that you could be making. And you're probably never going to be able to scale this to a point where you're going to be comfortable and you can actually pass this along to, one of your family members, your kids, or just whoever it is that you plan on leaving this business to. You're also not going to be able to sell the business if that's something you want to do, right? You can't really sell a business that's not legitimate. But I hope you guys found this video educational and informational. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit the notification bell, and please be sure to check out my members only YouTube community where I upload members only videos. I go live for my members and we have awesome discounts for the products and services on my website.